Alrighty. It's good, almost falling. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Too easy. Heck yeah. All right, gang. Got my fishing license. Let's fish. First cast. Probably should have added some more weight to this. It's not really sinking down that much. Up. He's got stuck in a tree. Look at this. Everything is going wrong. I'm all okay. Untangled there. Now we're going to contend with this. Yeah, baby. Alrighty. Great. That killed. 5 minutes. I might switch to the other rod and use a lure. All right, use this instead of the artificial worm. Come on, baby. Work with me, not against me. This lure keeps on getting all twisted up. Come on now. Is it just not swimming good? Not getting all twisted up now. Almost hit that tree there. I'd love to see a blow up on the top with this. Oh, you see that splash right there? That's good. That was a good cast. Come on, baby. Something hit this boy. Front treble hook keeps on getting caught around the fishing line. Let's look this way again. Ah, come on. I got stuck on the piling there. There's a whole bunch of barnacles on it. Oh, that's good. That's good. All right. I'll try throwing the worm. Oh. See that? See that little fish right there? Something was looking at it. The wind is pushing me away from where I want to fish. All right, let's move. That's a good cast. Right by that, I want to get my, oh. Stop, you see that fish over there? Something jumped. Yeah, I just saw somebody fishing up there. Heck yeah. Come on now. Gas. Hey, let's go. Not yet. Did you just get in? Huh? Did you just get in right there, that little kayak launch?
Yeah. About 2.5 hours. I got nothing.
Nothing? What are you throwing, if you don't mind me asking? Soft. Okay, yeah, same. All right. No bites at all. How far up have you gone?
I didn't go this way.
Oh, the other way? Okay.
Yeah, it's the first time I've used that kayak launch, so.
Yeah.
I was also kind of curious to see what went. So. Well, hope you have better luck with me, man.
Yeah, you know, better luck next time, man. Thank you. I'll see you. Yeah, you too. Okay. Some distance on this boy. Come on, baby. Yep. Maybe I'll switch back to the worm. That's good. Oh! Saw a fish. Fish jumped right to my left here. Yeah, I was stupid and I didn't put any weights on this or bring any weights. I need an anchor. Oh yeah, that's good. That's a good cast. Come on, baby. Dude, if I were a fish and I saw that, I'd go for it. Oh, you saw that? You see that? That fish just jumped out of the water. Man, I hope the GoPro picked that up. Come on. See over there, there's some structure over there. Tree. No takers. GoPro turned itself off because it was actually overheated. That'll happen sometimes, but it's all right. Didn't catch anything while the GoPro was off, and didn't get any bites while it was off, so I might switch back to the lure, top water. Okay, here we go. Oh, I went over it. Ah, damn it. See it? See it hanging there? Let's go. Gotta get it off. Ready? One. Yeah. Just glad I didn't get caught over that branch again. Jesus, I did it again. I'm hooked around. I'm tangled around it. That sucks. I can do this. Yay. Okay. Yep, you know what? We're cutting, we're retying. We have the lure. That's like the most important thing. Unfortunately, I'm gonna leave a little bit of fishing line in that tree. Tell me you haven't done it before. Yeah. This knife is dull as hell. Here we go, boys. After 10 minutes. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Something jumped. Something made a disturbance. It's a good cast too, went right over it. Let's go. Okay. Come on, baby, eat me. Eat me. Go throw out some docks. GoPro's probably getting hot. I'm gonna dunk it in the water. Oh, fish just jumped right there. Died. GoPro died. Oh, get somebody with a boat. Hey. But anyways, look what we were able to recover. Got stuck up in the tree, and I smacked it out with the, what's this thing? The oar, kayak paddle, and got it out. There we go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Here we go, baby. Alrighty. So, as you can see, we opened up into a bigger part of the canal here, I guess. So I decided to tie the top water back on. Hopefully cover more distance with this boy. Look at that house. When I head out of here, I'm gonna be fighting the wind. As you can see, it's blowing this way, and I have to go back that way. Ah. My knot failed. Look at that. Oh, got it. All right, we're retying. I graduated Army Mountain Warfare School, and I'm not very good at tying knots. Simple fishing knots, apparently. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Come on, baby. What a cast. Beautiful. Hey, good afternoon, how's it going? I can't believe it. I'm going all day without getting a single bite. No biggie. Oh my God, I suck so much. I suck so much. He's gonna come out. Alright, I'm gonna be heading back now. No bites all day, but it's no problem. Alrighty. So it's my first time South Florida kayak fishing in canals. No bites, but it was still a great time. You know, people usually don't like watching fishing videos where the guy or girl doesn't catch fish, but you win some, you lose some, you know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Alrighty, guys. Peace out.